Creative designers, welcome back to my channel, and in today's video I'm going to show you how to create this type of pattern. This is spiral or pattern, so I'm going to show you how to create this pattern using blend tool, combination of blend tool and some other tools. Okay, so without any further ado, let's jump into the video. And if you are new to my channel, I am Emma Graphics. Here we learn everything related to graphic design. Kindly subscribe by clicking on the subscribe button below and turn on the notification bell. So what you have to do, I'm going to just leave it somewhere here. So you know that I created this all these things you've seen look like the color, so the color combination, so you can quickly grab ellipse tool and create the color combination. So once you get click on this ellipse tool right here and draw a circle, something like this. So you can now use your interactive fill tools. Is right over here. Click on it and then give it a color. So you can either come here somewhere here and choose whichever color you want. So all I need to do is to just click on this and then click here and then choose whichever color I want. I want this type of color, so I want to recreate exactly what we have there. Then I'll click here and change this black to this kind of green is fine, or this, whichever one anyway. So it's just okay. Remove the outline, so you can see we have an outline. So just remove the outline. You can click here, right click on this stroke. You can see this red stroke here. Just right click on it, then click on set outline color. So you remove the outline like this. So once you have something like this, I'm going to reduce this a little bit, something like this is fine. So once you have something like this, we are going to duplicate this. Let me do this. So click and hold down your shift key so that it will be aligned, and then just drag it down somewhere here and right click in order to have a duplicate. And once this is done like this, come to your blend tools over here, click on this blend tool, just click here. If you can't find the blend tools here, just click here, so you will see blend tool. So this is your blend tool. So just click on this blend, click on it and drag all the way to this place, so you have something like this. So this is just one process. So the next thing you are going to do, just get whatever freehand tools. If you like to use freehand tools, if you want to use any of these pen tools, whichever one, just draw whatever you want to draw. I wish to draw something like this, just whatever you want to draw is just fine. So I just decide to draw something like this. I'm going to just remove some of these knot here and here. Okay, remove some of these smooth, in order to smooth these things. So just like this is just fine, because all we need to do, we are going to fit these two parts. So I'm going to have something like this. For the purpose of this tutorial, it doesn't have to be perfect, so you can take your time and do whatever spiral you want to draw. It's up to you. So like this. So I'm going to bring this somewhere here. So we are going to bring this to this line. We are going to do that. So the next thing you are going to do, you are going to click here. Once you click here, so you will see new part. Click on new part. All right, then once you click on new part, you need to now click on this line. So as you can see, immediately I click on new part, you can see that thing that looks like an arrow pointing down. So you're just going to click on the line like this. So once you click on the line, the next thing you are going to do, you are going to come here and then you blend it along the full path. Just click here to blend it along the full path. So you have something like this. All right, so once you have something like this, so the next thing you are going to do, you are going to duplicate this color. Okay, going to duplicate it in order to have it as smooth as the one we have here, as you can see. So we are going to duplicate it. So just click on it and then come here and add the number from 20 to 100. You want to see, you can see this is what 100 here, this is what we have for 100. So if you decide to give it the 400, just click here and give it 400. This is what we have as 400. All right, So once that is done, you can just come here and remove the outline. All right, so just remove the line, or you send it to the back anyways. Control page down. All right, just control page down. Instead of deleting it, you just send it to the back, so you have something like this. So like I said, you can take your time and draw your spiral, you know, line as you want, whichever way you want to draw the pattern. So it's up to you. Draw perfect pattern, then okay, put this thing, the color on it. So tell me what you think under the comment section, and I will see you in my next video. Bye for now.